Good morning, YouTubians. Gary here with VW Jawbreaker. I want to thank you for coming on back and tuning in to today's little project. On today's video, we're going to be replacing the engine compartment seal that goes along the back firewall. Not too bad. Pretty easy to do, for the most part. I tell you what, you sit back and relax. I'm going to go ahead and pull the engine so we can get started. Alright, today we're going to be replacing the firewall seal that goes in the car right around this area that seals up along the rear tin. Now unfortunately, pardon me, mine's all cracked up, broken, and still in there. So first step, get that crap out of there. Then I can start showing you how to install the new one. Sometimes you can work it out like that. Sometimes it just breaks it apart. Mine's so brittle, it's just breaking it apart. But we'll keep plugging along. It's slowly starting to come out over there. Let's see how far we can get here.
Where'd my pick go? Where'd my pick?
This spot right here is actually where your throttle cable comes through. So you don't need to try to mark that. That way you can make a little relief cut for your throttle cable. And this stuff is so dry and brittle.
Actually, it'd be easier to yank it out like this. It's just popping right out. Ish. No, ow, that was my elbow. Okay, now it's starting to move. Yeah, pieces flying off and hitting me now. Break that little piece off the end, it's breaking.
It's definitely coming out in small and medium pieces.
Trying to shake. I need to stop and have a lunch break soon.
There we go. Let's go ahead and make sure all the small pieces are out. Make sure the panel's pretty clear. Both sides. And that's it for removal. Now we'll get on to installation. Alright, so your new rubber, new seal, has got like a little T-channel that's going to slide in there and go all the way around. Stole a little bit of cocaine. I mean, not cocaine, sorry. A little bit of cornstarch. Helps it slide. So coat it kind of decent with the cornstarch. It'll help it slide right on in. Help it slide in. as usual, I make a mess. May have ATF over here asking me what the heck I'm doing in my garage. I get it everywhere, but you know what? You can always clean it up later. Rather have a little too much on there than not enough and fight it. Alright, now that I've made a complete and utter mess, we've got everything coated. What we're going to do is we're going to start it over here. Maybe. And maybe we'll try the other side. Get my breather hose out of the way. Oh. Gotta go the other way. Get in the bay here. Grab a pair of pliers. Fingers are slipping. So what we want to do is pull, get it to start, and then feed it at the same time to keep it in the channel. Something like that. Wait, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Hold on. Let's see if I can do this without being in the way. Oh, it came out of the channel. There we go. You get the idea. Work it around. There we go. A little extra fighting, but I left about that much. It's pretty much equal on both sides. But right here where your throttle cable comes through, make a little slice for it to come through. So we'll get onto that, and we should be good. So as you can tell, it's really not that difficult to do. Really the most difficult thing is pulling the engine, and come on guys, it's not that hard. Just chisel it out, work it out of there, put the new one in, use some baby powder, use some whatever you got, cornstarch, whatever, and it'll just slide right on in there. So I want to thank you guys for tuning in today. I appreciate your support. Thank you for being here. And again, the only reason I do this is to help others who have not done it before to get an idea of what they're doing, and hopefully shed some light and help you guys keep those projects on the road. So until the next time, be kind to others and be good.